Suntan tells stories, and the shape of the white snitch is fat men in tropical climes. Now you tell me you've been fucking somebody new, and that I should have known for a while. Watching the starlings as autumn draws in, as they make ghosts across London fields. And I would have moved out there to be with you. I would